it's me Cynthia. Today we have a really cool video in STEAM class. We are going to see how mathematics are going to be useful to create a pixel art drawing. Therefore, we're going to use the app of Google Sheets. So if you're using a mobile device, a tablet, make sure you have the app. If you're using a computer, don't worry. You can use Safari or Google Chrome. Are you ready to start? Let's go! Let's get started. Today we're going to focus on the T of STEAM, that stands for technology, on the A of arts, and the M of math. Why? We're going to use the three of them to create a really cool pixel art. And the ID profile attribute that we're going to use today is something that invites you to use what you already know to learn new things. Can you think which ID profile it is? It starts with the letter K. Yes, knowledgeable. You're going to use your learning in mathematics to create a pixel art. So, we have seen over the past classes what is a pixel art, right? Remember that pixels are the tiny squares that you can see in a picture. Now, these tiny blocks can be seen better if you get closer into a picture. And remember, the more pixels, the better. If you have a picture with not too many pixels, well, the resolution is not going to be good, right? But if you have a picture with a lot of pixels, well, then that picture is a high definition picture, and this means that it looks a whole lot better. Look at this example. As you can see in this picture, the one on the left is high definition because it has a lot more pixels, and the one on the right is low definition. Remember that your student account gives you the possibility of using a lot of Google tools. Within these tools, we can see Google Slides. It's helpful to make presentations, Google Drawings to make drawings, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Jamboard, and many others. Now, this class, we're going to focus on Google Sheets. Even though it's used to make math operations, we're going to use it to make not only the math operations, we're going to use it to make a pixel art drawing. So last class, you learned how to create a pixel art using the Fill with Color tool and the Undo tool. I want to congratulate you all because you were really risk takers of using Google Sheets for the first time. Now, this time, we're going to combine the force of arts and mathematics to create a really cool pixel art. And it's time to put your hands on. What are you going to do the following week? Well, make sure that you have Google Sheets in your tablet. Remember, if you're using a computer, don't worry. You can use it, open up the Google Sheets worksheet in Safari or Google Chrome. And what are you going to do? Well, you're going to use your math skills to discover a hidden drawing. So in this section here, there's a pixel art drawing and you need to find out. And how are you going to do that? Well, by answering the additions and subtractions that you have here. If you're using a computer, these are the steps that you need to follow. First, click in your work and you will see a new tab with your Google Sheets worksheet. And then go to the cells of answer and answer each one of the additions and subtraction. Once you put the correct number, it will reveal some of the pixels that are part of the drawing. When you finish discovering the whole drawing, close your worksheet and then mark as done. If you're using a tablet, these are the steps that you need to follow. Click on your work and then open up the worksheet. You will notice that you can't edit it. Therefore, click on this icon over here and it will open up in Google Sheets. Then click on the small pencil on the bottom to write down the corresponding numbers to the additions and subtractions. You will notice once again that the pixel will reveal once you answer correctly each one of the operations. When you finish, click on the check mark and then go back to Google Classroom. And just mark the activity as done. You don't need to upload anything else. When you finish, you don't need to upload anything. I will check it directly in Google Classroom. I hope that you enjoyed this activity and that you learn a new skill using Google Sheets. And remember, if you have a question on how to work on this activity, please let me know. Send me a message in Google Classroom. Meanwhile, take care, eat your fruits and vegetables, and see you soon. Bye-bye. I love you.